I've always felt that it will not be fair if Cameroonian celebrities come out here and they don't have people to show them around. They don't have people to support their arts. They don't have people to push them to the next level, and also to promote them out here as Cameroonian celebrities. So seeing them come here, promoting that Cameroonian culture has always been my motivation. When I see Cameroonian artists come here, they have fun, they win, they let the world know about their arts and what they do, promoting our culture. This has always been my motivation.
Clicks of influence.
So let me just start by asking you this very simple question. Who is Amadou Travels?
Amadou Travel and Tours, it's a young man from Dub who has always have a dream to become the best version of himself. I moved here to United Arab Emirates 11 years ago, just like any other young person, to come out here in search of greener pastures. And today I have Amadou Travel and Tours, which deals in visit visas, tours around the UAE, and also we do travel insurance, medical insurance for people around here. And this has been what has been keeping us till date.
Wow. And how long have you been doing this?
Amadou Travel and Tours was founded 5 years ago. That was in 2020.
Okay.
So for the last 5 years, we've been doing this.
Wow, that's truly amazing. And I understand that you've been able to promote a good number of Cameroonian artists here in the United Arab Emirates. What motivates you to do the things that you do?
Firstly, I'm a lover of culture. And being out here, we are a representative of the Cameroonian culture. And I've always felt that it will not be fair if Cameroonian celebrities come out here and they don't have people to show them around. They don't have people to support their arts. They don't have people to push them to the next level, and also to promote them out here as Cameroonian celebrities. So seeing them come here, promoting that Cameroonian culture has always been my motivation. When I see Cameroonian artists come here, they have fun, they win, they let the world know about their arts and what they do, promoting our culture. This has always been my motivation.
Talking about the Cameroon music and entertainment in Cameroon, what do you have to say about the general view as to the outside world? How do people outside who are not Cameroonian see Cameroonian music?
The truth about it is that, firstly, I'm not an expert in this field, but what I can tell you is that over time, Cameroonian industry, Cameroonian showbiz has really, really grown. I know a lot of people see it to be like, oh, we are not growing, support your own 80-20, blah, 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 and stuffs like that. But for someone like me who moved out of Cameroon 11 years ago, when I look back, I see how far we've evolved. I see the number of views that nowadays our artists are getting. I see a lot of people. Even here, once we bring artists, you can see other nationalities come to the clubs, come to the shows. The vibe to our music, this goes to shows that we've evolved. The type of our sound have evolved. The things that we do, the videos, directing and stuff like that, we've improved and we've really, really evolved. So I think we are growing. We are not yet there, but we are moving somewhere.
Progress.
Yeah,
Wow,
we are making progress and we are moving somewhere.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Really, we are making progress. I must attest to that. And recently, you received one of Cameroon's biggest, one of Cameroon's finest and most talented, Mike Monster. He is here in the United Arab Emirates, and I want to find out from you, how has your stay been for the past few days with the amazing Mike Monster?
You know, when, see, Mike Monster is one of the representative of culture. And, you know, he has a series that he is always doing, the random thoughts, which is, these are episodes whereby he just goes to, you know, he talks about what's going on in his head. This is someone that I see as representative, like President de Quartier, like president of the quarter, you know. He's someone that he represents the struggle. And each time that you hear him talk, for example, hustlers like us, people that started from nothing, when you hear him talk, you can easily relate.
relate,
You
yeah.
you can easily relate from his lyrics, his lifestyle, and the things he does. So we cannot have someone that represent this culture and all of that, and we don't bring them here to, you know, to see this other part of the world to also promote the culture.
Wow.
So for him being around here with us in the last 5 days, it has been fun. It has
Wow.
been fun. He brought in that quarter spirit,
He brought in
that
the
quarter
energy.
state of mind, you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
So as we're getting towards the end of this very brief episode, I would like to find out from you what is the next step, you know, for with regards to his coming to the UAE.
For now, tomorrow Friday, he's having a yacht party with one of uprising top Cameroonian female finest, Manik, who also just arrived here in the UAE. Together, they are going to be having a party at the yacht in Marina tomorrow. So after that, we are looking forward to have other collaborations with other nationalities also to promote the culture.
Beautiful, beautiful. And so as we round off, one final word for our viewers.
Keep watching Clicks of Influence and make sure you keep your eyes on this top rising gentleman, Bechkan Hour. See you guys next time.
Thank you so much, sir.